Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to prepare a popular Filipino vegetable dish traditionally cooked with pork and shrimp paste, pinakbet. We will need 2 cups squash, half cup ampalaya or bitter gourd, 1 cup string beans, 1 cup okra, 1 cup eggplant, 100 grams pork or more, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 cloves garlic, 1 large tomato, 4 tablespoons shrimp paste, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon sugar. Put a small amount of oil in the pan. Add the pork and fry until it turned brown. Set aside the pork, then saute the garlic followed by the onion. Then add the tomato. Stir for a minute, then put back the pork. Add the string beans and give it a mix to combine with the other ingredients. Then add around 200 ml of water. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes. The next step is to add the squash, ampalaya, and okra. Give it a mix, then cover and simmer in low heat for 6 to 7 minutes. We didn't add water because the moisture and steam will eventually cook the vegetables. And we do not want our pinakbet to be too watery. Add the eggplant, then cover and simmer for another 3 minutes. Okay, this is starting to look good. Add the shrimp paste and mix well with the rest of the ingredients. Add half a teaspoon of sugar and a bit of salt to enhance the taste. And it's done! Pinakbet is commonly paired with fried fish and warm rice. The sweet, savory taste of this dish will make you say, "Extra rice please!" Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!